Merci.
Room that's been forgotten about.
Yeah, the lost room. The lost room of the chateau.
This room's the one that's above the double doors at the back of the chateau.
Yeah.
So get out of the way, it's more panelling coming through.
Men working.
We're not going to stop them.
No, definitely not.
But this is obviously the room that's been sort of forgotten about.
We've just, because the window was broken and we knew we couldn't do anything with it, so we just literally put everything in here, haven't we?
Yeah, it's just been, to be honest, a bit of a dumping ground because it didn't have the window in and we were waiting for the window to get sorted. All of the panelling that was taken off previously before we came.
Yeah, and the bathroom and everywhere.
Everywhere. And then the big bathroom. So we've had loads of bits of panelling that's been rotten or it's just been left about.
Yeah.
It all got put in here.
Everything,
Yeah. So it's a bit of a dumping ground. There's flooring, there's panelling, everything we're going to keep and we're going to try and repurpose it.
Yes, so we've made some space in one of the barns, nice and dry and safe, so we can place it all out so you know what you can look at and what you want.
Yeah, it'll be a bit better if it's laid out like that because then when I need a piece of paneling, I can go out and check, see what we've got, measure it.
Because here it's all just piled on top of each other and, you know, I mean we need to get this sorted anyway because then we're going to start placing a bit of furniture so you know what you're going to do with the room, you know, so...
Well, this is the only room that we haven't actually thought about placement of furniture.
That's right,
The rest of them we know where, obviously sofas are going, where beds are going, what style we're going, where this one, because it's just been sort of forgotten about.
Yeah.
We haven't got any idea.
Yeah.
So we'll get it emptied out now and then we can look at placing some furniture.
Yeah, it's good because we've got family over and it's always brilliant when we have family because
we get loads of
work done. And this has been a job we've all been like, ooh, we'll close the door.
Yeah, it's been easier closing the door for the last year than tackling it.
Yeah. So today, it's going to be empty by the end of the day.
Yeah. Well, I'll let you get on work. I think I'll just film. I'll give you a hand. I'll get this piece.
Sounds about right.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, darling, you were meant to survive. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend this time in your head. With every start, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. staring out over miles of land without it, but wanting to build up walls. Lift me up in your branches, we can watch the sunrise. Just a couple of bruised up souls that believe that it was worth one more try. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart and spend a lifetime in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
That's it. Absolutely fantastic.
Team make works the dream work.
Team make works the dream make. Keep back in.
So as we've just seen, teamwork makes the dream work.
It definitely does. Obviously, it's just completely transformed this room. I know we've only just cleared it out, but
We haven't had this room for the last 2 years.
No.
With the window coming in just after we got here on the first time, it's never been a room we've actually been able to stand in the middle of and look around and appreciate it.
Yeah.
And there's things that even I've just noticed there that I've never seen in the room.
no, it's just brilliant to get it back, and now at least we can start planning on what furniture we're going to put in, where it's going to be placed, because we've had different ideas if we were going to put it en suite in here, if we were just going to have it as the main master bedroom for the
I
suites.
think you should get one of the little French baths and put it into the window there.
Near the radiator.
I'm not radiator, just have a French bath.
So there'll be no heat.
We'll put the fire back in.
We'll see. We've already had all the chimneys done.
We've got another one to do then.
Anyway, I don't know how I feel about having. I know Mum doesn't like baths in the bedrooms.
I know, but it seems to be the in thing. I can't stand the baths in bedrooms, but I think when you come somewhere like this, if this is going to be the master bedroom, which it always has been,
Yeah.
I think to have a bath in the room would just be a really nice feature of the room.
Yeah.
Just a little tub.
Yeah.
To sit in the window and look at a little plastic one.
Let us know what you think, obviously, if you think that it'd be a good idea, if you like the idea of a bath in the bedroom.
Mm-hmm. I don't personally, but I think with the way that we're looking at top end, which is where we want to go with.
We're not going modern, are we? It's going to be original.
But they didn't have baths originally.
No,
so,
not like original, like back in
yeah, so you can't
17, 18, no, more like 1900s.
Yeah, but to have a bath in the room is luxury. It's a luxury.
Yeah.
I don't like the idea, but I know for a hotel it works.
Yeah, let us know. Anyway, obviously we've got all cleared out. We can start looking at different things now, getting the wallpaper off the ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, obviously the layout for the furniture.
Yep.
So I'll have to go Brock hunting again. There's another room to fill. And then from there, obviously it's going to be getting on with the main side of the work. We wanted this cleared because we're going to start running all the power cables and the electric, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll give you a quick whiz around now so you can see it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think we're going to get a cup of tea.
Yep.
And then have a little look at that. So we have a room.
We do. So we think this is the old master bedroom. And again, the reason I'm saying this is the first time I've noticed this. So down here we have a line, which with all these big old French bedrooms that we've seen, they used to have like the little privacy closets either side where the maid would come in or where they could get changed and undressed and stuff like that. And I think looking at this, that's possibly what's been here. There's a little door there. We think there's been a little door there in the corner as well.
Yeah.
With a little alcove.
Well, because the panelling, when it's been done, obviously that little part's been added in,
Yeah.
hasn't it? So, and then the top part, so there's been something different there.
Yeah, I think either that, and again, I'm still of the opinion that the original stairs to the top floor came either through here or here. we don't know. It had to be in one of these two spaces, so either up from the billiards or up from the central reception, but it would have came to some point here.
Yeah.
There's nowhere else logically that the stairs could have gone.
Yeah. So the room that we're in at the minute, obviously this is the middle room. These are the windows that we've had replaced, and obviously it's in the very centre of the chateau, looking out.
Beautiful views. And this is where we're on about putting a bath in front of this window. Sit here.
That's up for discussion. We'll see what people think to that.
I don't know, like I say, it's just one of them things. I think it'd do well. But I think this is, to see it, it's clearly one of the biggest rooms that we have, and to actually unearth it and to get it all clear, it's really nice to be able to see it again.
Yeah. Well, my main ideas for this room, obviously the bed will go in the centre there. We've got this wardrobe that'll go over here, a bit further along where Ash has stood. And then obviously we'll have a big bed, and we'll have a big sort of bed crown that we'll make.
The lovely chandelier.
Well, I was gonna put that one is a bit too small, so
You're gonna go with that one?
yeah, a bit bigger. Chateau chic.
Yeah. Oh shit, that one.
So we've got a bit of repair to do on the floor
And the wall.
and the wall
And the panelling.
and the panelling. But
Not a lot.
no. But the good thing with this, it's got like loads of cupboards
Yeah.
in each of them, hasn't it?
Yeah. There's little cupboards everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah. No, there's a key on that one.
Oh.
Little cupboard. I'll see we've got our little fireplace. It's like the smallest one we've got, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't even know if
It's
yeah, it's still open.
the biggest room, but the smallest fireplace.
I know.
But hey ho. Well, we'll get sorted.
We'll get this cuppa I've been promised.
Cup of tea, and I think after that we'll have a little look and get some furniture in. We've got some pieces of furniture, so we can place that in.
So you don't need Gold Content then?
Well, I've only got a couple of pieces.
Oh, just a couple of pieces.
Just a couple, so we might need some more.
Come on then, I want me coffee.
Yeah, well thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you'd like to be part of our journey and help restore the chateau, then please join us on Patreon, where you'll be part of our journey, receive a piece of the history, and get exclusive videos.